To take you to the state capture inquiry, former Eskom board chair Ben Ngubane is back at the inquiry today. More details about what is coming out of proceedings. Reporter Michael Appel, good afternoon to you. Questions today about emails and who was drafting what for the Eskom board has been in discussion. Fairly complex. Break it down for me.
Who is in control of our state-owned entities board? It's as simple as that, Jeremy. So I'm going to start here. There is a statement that is released to the media on the 31st of March, 2015, in which it states that Zola Tsotsi will be stepping down as the chairperson of the Eskom board. Now, the evidence leader takes Dr. Ben Ngubane back to an email trail from the 19th of March. That's 11 days prior to this decision being made public. Now, this email is drafted by none other than Nazim Hawa, who the public will remember is the CEO of TNA Media, the Gupta-owned media entity. Now, he drafts this statement on the 19th of March, stating exactly what would happen on the 31st of March, and that is made public. How on earth, unless he is psychic, did he know that Zola Tsotsi would be removed as the Eskom board chairperson? Secondly, what is the CEO of TNA doing, drafting, sending an email of a statement to Salim Essa, who then sends it on to Dr. Ben Ngubane to say this is what is going to be said to the public? What is he doing that? The evidence leader said this email trail is simply remarkable. Listen in.
This person is not drafting a media report. So I am informed by Mr. So-and-so that this is what the board has done.
Right.
Like we see in regard to the shorter one, where he says, Dr. Ngubane said,
Sure.
Mr. Tsotsi said. This person is writing a statement for the chairperson who would read it, the chairperson of the board. Isn't this remarkable? Where would this person get all this information from to enable him to prepare such a detailed statement?
So let's all draw a deep breath. One has to ask the question then, what inference do we draw from this evidence?
Jeremy, who was feeding who information is the pertinent question here. It's either that there was somebody sitting on that Eskom board who was feeding information to Nazim Hawa, who then drafted this statement on behalf of the Eskom board, or it's Nazim Hawa and the apparatus of the Guptas around him who is telling Dr. Ben Ngubane, who, by the way, wasn't acting chairperson yet on the 19th of March, yet they addressed it to him as the new chair. So somebody knew he was going to be the chair, or was he put there by somebody as the new chair? This is what the inquiry chairperson believes is the inference that can be drawn.
This person or the persons who were working on the statement were the ones making decisions that they believed the board would make or would go along with. Would you agree with that reasoning?
Yes, Chairperson, I do.
And there you have it, the Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo ending that report by Michael Appel. This is Tuesday lunchtime. There's still to come.